Wait. Stop for a second. This might be the most important thing you hear today. Have you ever spoken, but people ignored you? Have you ever wanted to make friends, but no one seemed interested? What if I told you that the secret to success isn't about working harder, but about understanding people? Imagine walking into any room and instantly making people like you. Imagine speaking, and everyone listens. Imagine inspiring people, not by force, but because they want to follow you. Sounds powerful, right? Well, this is exactly what we are going to learn today. In this video, you will discover the 8 most powerful lessons from the legendary book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. In the next few minutes, you will learn the secrets from how to win friends and influence people. You will discover how to make people like you, how to get them to listen, and how to influence them without arguing. But wait, there's more. Not only will you learn how to influence people, but you will also improve your English. Throughout this lesson, I will ask you to repeat some sentences after me for practice. This way, you will not only learn these powerful secrets, but you will also become more confident in speaking English. Now, repeat after me. I am ready to win friends. I am ready to influence people. I am ready to change my life. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Lesson 1. The power of a smile. Make the world like you. Today, you will learn the simplest but most powerful trick to make people like you instantly. It costs nothing, but it can change your life. Yes, it's a smile. James, an ordinary young man, wanted to be liked. But he noticed something strange. People often ignored him. His ideas were good, but no one seemed to care. One day, an old mentor told him, "James, if you want people to like you, start with a smile, a real one." The next day, James smiled at his colleagues, his boss, and even the barista at the coffee shop. The change was incredible. People smiled back. Conversations became easier. He realized something important. When you smile, the world smiles back. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. A smile is a powerful tool. Repeat it loudly. A smile is a powerful tool. 2. People like to be around happy faces. Now your turn. Repeat it. People like to be around happy faces. 3. A simple smile can open many doors. Come on now. It's your turn. Say it loudly. A simple smile can open many doors. Lesson 2. The secret to making people like you. Be the most interesting person in the room. Want to know a secret? You don't have to be rich, famous, or super smart to make people like you. The trick is simple. Make people feel important. James wanted deeper connections. He wanted people to genuinely enjoy talking to him. He learned one simple trick. People love talking about themselves. Instead of trying to impress others, he started asking questions. When someone mentioned their weekend, he asked, "Oh, that sounds exciting. Tell me more." People started loving his company. Why? Because he made them feel important. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. People love to talk about themselves. Repeat. People love to talk about themselves. 2. A great listener is a great friend. Now, repeat it loudly. A great listener is a great friend. 3. Ask questions, and people will like you. Ask questions, and people will like you. Lesson 3. The power of a name. Make people feel special instantly. Did you know that a person's own name is the sweetest sound to them? James made a new friend, David, the next time they met. James said, "Hey, David. Good to see you." David smiled. "Wow, you remembered my name." A name is powerful. Use it, and people will feel special. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. A name is powerful. Your turn. A name is powerful. 2. People feel special when you use their name. Your turn. Say with me. People feel special when you use their name. 3. Remembering names builds strong connections. Come on, say it loudly. Remembering names builds strong connections. Lesson 4. Win people to your way of thinking. Be a master of influence. How do you convince people without arguments? James once disagreed with a colleague. Instead of arguing, he said, "I see your point, and it makes sense. But have you considered this?" Instead of pushing his ideas, he found common ground. This changed everything. People started respecting him, even when they disagreed. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Avoid arguments. Find common ground. Avoid arguments. Find common ground. 2. People respect those who listen first. People respect those who listen first. 3. You can win people over with kindness. You can win people over with kindness. Lesson 5. Admit when you're wrong. Gain more respect. Do you want people to trust you? Then, here's a powerful tip. Admit when you're wrong. One day, James made a mistake at work. Instead of making excuses, he said, "You're right. I made a mistake. I'll fix it." Surprisingly, instead of being angry, his boss said, "I appreciate your honesty." People respect those who admit their mistakes. It shows confidence and responsibility. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Admitting mistakes shows strength. Admitting mistakes shows strength. 2. People respect honesty. People respect honesty. 3. Taking responsibility builds trust. Taking responsibility builds trust. Lesson 6. Give sincere praise. Make people feel important. James noticed something. People love feeling appreciated. He started giving real compliments. When a friend did a great job, he said, "You're really talented at this." Suddenly, people felt happier around him. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. People love to be appreciated. People love to be appreciated. 2. A sincere compliment can change someone's day. A sincere compliment can change someone's day. 3. Praise must always be genuine. Praise must always be genuine. Lesson 7. Inspire people instead of criticizing. Help others grow. James had a coworker who always made mistakes. Instead of criticizing, he said, "I know you're capable of more. I believe in you." The result? His coworker improved instead of feeling defensive. People grow when you believe in them. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Encourage, don't criticize. Encourage, don't criticize. 2. People improve when they feel supported. People improve when they feel supported. 3. Inspire others, and they will follow you. Inspire others, and they will follow you. Lesson 8. Become a true leader. Inspire people to follow you. One day, James faced a tough situation at work. A project failed, and everyone was blaming each other. Instead of joining the fight, James said, "We are a team. Let's fix this together." This changed the entire mood. Instead of problems, people started finding solutions. At that moment, James realized, a true leader inspires, not controls. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. A true leader inspires others. A true leader inspires others. 2. Great leaders focus on solutions. Great leaders focus on solutions. 3. Anyone can be a leader. Anyone can be a leader. So, what you learned today? Today, we learned 1. A smile can open doors. 2. People love talking about themselves. Listen to them. 3. Using a person's name makes them feel special. 4. Find common ground instead of arguing. 5. Admit mistakes and gain respect. 6. Give sincere praise. Makes people feel valued. 7. Encourage people instead of criticizing. 8. Inspire others, and you become a true leader. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice these lessons in real life. Smile at people. Use their names. Listen more. Avoid arguments. Give praise. And most importantly, inspire others. If you start today, imagine where you'll be in a year. Are you ready? Let's go.